Hello and welcome to your practice. Today's practice is called All Roads from Virāsana. Okay, so your legs are going to be perpendicular to each other. Right shin nestles into the crook of the left knee, and then slowly sit back, applying pressure onto that left calf. Let the breath be so full, it's like your breath is expanding all the way down into your pelvis. And exhale to downward facing dog. Now from here, bring your hands to your feet and slowly come back onto your elbows. Or widen the elbows to recline all the way. Shift forward, off the floor or off the block. Exhale, hop chaturanga, feet together. Or if this feels okay in your middle back and lower back, on a lower height for the support of your head. You can push down a little bit more and your hips get lighter. Keep lifting your hips up through Ustrasana. Shoulders back, gaze back. And wrap your hands around your shin or your thigh, your left shin or left thigh.